Now that we have gone over types of prompts, general questions to consider when you are planning to write your personal statement, we looked at a sample personal statement as well. And then, of course, the admissions advice. Before we get into the Bureau of Labor Statistics information, I want to do a quick knowledge check. So, when you're thinking about everything that we have just gone over, do you know your major? How involved are you to date in your major? Are you interested in a specialization? Do you know the amenities the college and or major and or program offers based on your discipline or your major? And how have you prepared for writing the personal statement? And these are just knowledge check questions just to gauge whether or not you have a clue about what it is that you want to do. Because if you're going to just get a 2-year associate's degree at the community college level and then leave and go into your field, well, that's fine. You don't necessarily need to worry about a personal statement unless you are thinking about moving up the career ladder right after 2 years. And you can take the associate's degree and still move up the career ladder. But a personal statement is definitely a good, useful tool, whether or not you are going to transfer to the university setting or whether or not you are going to move up the career ladder or whether or not you are going to make financial life decisions, right? Because you can use much of what we have said to apply to your finances as well. So this is just a quick knowledge check that I want you to consider. Do you know your major? What have you been doing, or how involved are you to date in your major? And you don't have to put all of your eggs in one basket, pardon the cliche, but it is important that you understand that each semester you are at the community college level or in a transfer admission state, you want to adopt this as a particular plan for you, so that you don't wait too long and scramble at the end. And then, of course, are you interested in a specialization? Because if you want to get into a particular major that has specializations, and everything is kind of being tailored that way, even in business, it used to be that you could just major in general business, and that was sort of like a catch-all. Now, majors, especially your business majors, are so specialized that you can specialize in nonprofit, grant management, accounting, of course, finance, investment banking, international business. You can have some political science aspects of it in terms of policies, things like that, regulation. So there's a number of public administration. There's a number of specializations that you would consider within one particular major, if you are interested in that. So the first 2 years that you are out of high school and you are in a community college setting is the time that you should have, or you should take to work on your plan.